Okay, so let's do a comparison between these two lights. This one is Coleman. I got this from Walmart. I think it's for $10. And this is Lomon. So they both have different type of light. This one is just on off, and this one also has a focus. So let's find out which one is actually brighter. So let's try this one first. As you can see, this is pretty bright, and I'm really happy with this one. And now let's try this one. So this is also very bright, but the light is a little bit different. It does has a zoom feature, so that way the light can travel farther. But it's more complicated because you have to use the zoom feature also. But this one is without the zoom and easy to operate. So that's the comparison between the two lights. You can see which one is brighter. And if I make it fully zoomed, it's like this.